about conservation bio.
This project took place in Bahia Salinas in Costa Rica's Guanacaste province. Bahia Salinas is found in the northernmost part of the province, closely bordering Nicaragua. The region is a very important turtle nesting site, as many females return to the same beaches year after year to lay their eggs. Most of the turtles seen in the area are leatherbacks, green turtles, and olive ridleys. For this reason, patrolling the beaches, especially at night, is very important. It gets both scientists and local communities involved in protecting turtle eggs from poachers. The ETC, or Equipo Torrecare, is a group of scientists, volunteers, and members of the local community who work together to protect and research sea turtles and rays in the area. Turtles are caught in a large net and pulled up onto a boat. Once on the boat, body measurements are taken, and these measurements include things like total shell length, shell width, underbody length, tail length, and finally weight. After being measured, both hind flippers are tagged and a small tissue sample is taken to be analyzed. All data is written down in a notebook and used for future analysis. Turtles are then scanned for the presence of a P tag. P tags provide valuable information such as the migration patterns of the turtle. If a turtle doesn't have a P tag, then a P tag is put in place. Then, turtles are released back into the water.
Next, the class headed to Playa Raya to catch rays using small nets. Rays were placed in small bins and measurements were taken, such as body length, total width, and pelvic fin width. Pictures were taken during each step of the measurement process, and additional photos were taken of the eyes. Next, the rays were tagged and tissue samples were taken. Finally, after being weighed, the rays were released back into the ocean.
How was the day?
It was solid.
It was a day. It was a day. We had a day today.
In 2014, the Dreams Las Mareas Resort was constructed on El Jobo Beach. With over 400 rooms, this resort has posed major problems to the marine ecosystem. The presence of the hotel has resulted in negative ecological impacts with destruction of much of the fauna. It also produces noise and light pollution, which can scare away nesting sea turtles. As for the hatchlings, they can mistake the hotel lights for the moon and enter the hotel property, where they are often found in one of the 7 pools or caught on the beach chairs. Improper waste disposal is also a major issue, as many animals can mistake the garbage as food or can get entangled in the trash.
The construction of Hotel Dreams sacrificed many endemic species in the area, such as mangroves, which provide protection from wave erosion and can sequester carbon. The excessive amount of trash on the beach is due to the proximity to the beach itself, the harsh storms that recently hit Costa Rica, and tourists who do not properly discard of their trash or are too drunk to care, like this guy. "22 adult volunteers and 3 children worked together to collect trash from the beach and in the water. Each person took a bag into the water and snorkeled among the sea floor, rock structures, and corals to collect the trash, while others scanned the beach for trash as well. The largest amount of trash collected was single-use plastics, such as straws. 125 were collected in total. Other main types of trash collected included cigarette butts, food wrappers, and bottle caps. All of this was recorded to send to the Ocean Conservancy Project for their annual cleanup report, which is a census collected from all over the world. In 2016, 470 volunteers collected 42,797 pieces of trash in Costa Rica. It is important to collect this data so that the hotel can improve its waste management system and for the various countries involved with the project to understand the extent of trash in oceans so that international policies can be put into place. All in all, Equipo Toro Core is working with the local community of El Jobo to research, clean the beaches, and to preserve the species richness of the area. The NGO educates children about conservation biology issues and hope to empower the next generation to make El Jobo a more sustainable place.